Hi, I am Christophe, Education and Training Manager at Genelec. During the last 8 years, Genelec has created a highly successful line of smart active monitoring products. These systems automatically and accurately adapt to the acoustic environment. Now we are very proud to introduce two new compact systems, 8320 and 8330, two-way systems, along with the 7350 subwoofer and a Genelec Loudspeaker Manager software version 2, highly intuitive, that goes along with a new measurement microphone and a new network adapter. So, what are SAM monitors? SAM monitors and subwoofers are active audio monitors which have intelligence enabling automatic compensation for the room's acoustics, optimized for specific listening positions or even over a broader area. They achieve this with sophisticated built-in electronics and high-resolution digital signal processing. The system allows control of up to 30 monitors and subwoofers from the listening position. If you are thinking about installing a SAM system, let's first consider some fundamental issues. A good room design and proper acoustic treatment remain the most important methods to achieve quality sound reproduction. Acoustical cancellation phenomena cannot be compensated by any systems. You must physically alter the elements in the room, typically adjusting monitor or listening position and applying acoustic treatments. Now, let's look at a few examples of what SAM can do. If you travel, you can calibrate your SAM monitors for the specific location you find yourself in that day, giving you consistency of monitoring in an unfamiliar location. Say, you sit off-axis from the monitors in your small composing or editing room. Well, SAM systems can compensate for an off-axis listening position and still provide accurate audio presentation. You're sat in the control room chair, but you would like the musician on the sofa behind you to hear the monitors calibrated for their specific listening position. SAM systems can create separate calibration settings for the sofa, which you can switch to on the fly. If you have an entire band in the control room, multi-point compensation allows you to optimize the listening conditions for an entire area, not just single-point locations. So, let's look at the design of these new monitors. First, they are made of die-cast aluminum, so they are sturdy and rigid. Then we have the minimum diffraction enclosure, which is a key component to get neutral and uncolored response, avoiding sharp edges diffraction. Then we have directivity control waveguide, which allows us to have on and off-axis flat frequency response. We have then an efficient reflex board design for well-articulated and highly efficient low distortion output at high sound pressure level. We have a universal power supply, so you can plug these systems anywhere in the world. And then we have outstanding frequency response. The 8320 goes down to 59 Hz, while the 8330 goes down to 50 Hz. Both models have a power switch, two RJ45 connector to connect to the GLM network. On the 8320, you have an XLR balanced analog input, and on the 8330, you have the analog input and also ASCBU input and output. Then we have the matching 7350 SAM subwoofer. Compatible with either monitors, it features an 8-inch bass driver, our patented laminar spiral enclosure. This LSE design allows very precise and articulate bass reproduction thanks to the flow-optimized enclosure and high-efficiency reflex board. And on the connection panel, you will find the mains power switch, 5.1 balanced analog audio inputs and outputs, a 2-channel ASCBU digital audio input and output, and 2 RJ45 sockets to connect to the GLM network. This is our new GLM software version 2. It allows system setup and control of all monitors and subwoofers on the network. Now, it has a brand new user interface designed to simplify setup and calibration. It has a highly graphical approach to system settings and configuration with drag-and-drop icons for managing monitors and subwoofers. We also have a new highly accurate Genelec microphone and a completely new GLM network adapter design featuring a USB connection to your computer or laptop, support for wired or wireless volume control with separately available Genelec accessories, connection to the Genelec measurement microphone, and 2 RJ45 connection to the GLM network. So, Genelec new SAM systems are easy to operate and adapt acoustically to any environment, bringing you the most consistent and accurate monitoring solution of today. And they are a secure long-term investment, since we have a strong commitment to build the most reliable product in the industry. On behalf of every one of us at Genelec, thanks for watching.